Open the packaging box. Take out the bike. Remove the protective foam paper. Accessory kit comes with toolkit, headlight, pedal, small bell, charger, warranty card. Remove the steam cap fixing screws and washers. Unlocking the handlebar. Install the handlebar to the head parts. Tighten the screws. Adjusting the angle of fork and handlebar. Lock the handlebar. Tighten the screws on both sides of the head parts. Remove the brake protection pad and fork protection rod. Installing front wheel. Remove the screw and spring from one end of the quick release rod. Insert quick release lever. Install springs and screws. Do not tighten the screws completely. Locking quick release rod. Install the mudguard and headlight. Adjusting the height of the mudguard. Tighten the screws. Connect the front light power cord. Install the mudguard brackets on both sides. Distinguish between left and right foot pedals. Installing foot pedals. Installation is complete.